today, on this hot day here in Benidorm, I'm gonna start on the Levante beach, here all the way at the end of the Rincon, take a look at how busy the bars are in this area, and then go into the hidden streets just behind it, just to escape the heat, because it is quite hot today. So it is really hot today here in Benidorm. It's 28 degrees, and probably Friday and Saturday we're gonna hit the 30. Really hot, and that's the reason why most of the bars are empty currently. So we're gonna have a look down there, the beach itself, and then the hidden streets just behind it. If you enjoy these videos from me, then please do give it a like. It really helps promoting it, and do subscribe if you want to see more. Let's go. It's really bright today. You definitely need the sunglasses, else it's hardly possible to look around. There's no clouds in the sky, and even up here people are on the rocks sunbathing, because it is really busy. Look at how many people are on the beach. This here, by the way, is the second bus that's going to take the small turn here and then go up the hill. And as I said, the bars are really quiet. It's around 1 p.m. currently. And don't forget, those are the bars that are located right on the beach. Yesterday I started my video all the way up beyond the strip at Joker's. That's, by the way, reopening. I'll put a link to that video after this one. But there was hardly anyone there, and here it is a little bit busier. But still, more people prefer to enjoy the beach and the pools of the hotels during daytime instead of sitting at a bar. If you look down here to the left, most of the sunbeds are still available. During summer peak season that won't be the case. And if you look towards the right, until all the way in the distance people are in the water. Water temperature, by the way, is currently around 20 degrees, 21. It's gonna go up until about 26 in July and August. But it is already nice and pleasant to have a swim. Got the green flag out again today. There is a little breeze, but it's not to cool you off or anything. So that is why I'm taking a left down here. Going to explore those streets just behind the beach. And with all kind of bars, it's pretty nice to walk around it. Most of the area is covered. Have some shops in between.
Para llevar ese pelado para que fuera a pintar eso y se ganara eso. Que estaba muy caro. Y llega a hacerlo lo pinta y gratis.
Really quiet down here, and they have some old house offerings. Let's see, I think they're still the normal prices. Nah, still really high what they all charge. This one right here on the Mediterráneo, 250, but it is 3 bedrooms, so that is quite big. And like these streets that I just had down there, there are many more to discover. This goes all the way until back there, all the way until Old Town. You can go between, explore those small streets, the small bars that are there. Plenty to see and discover. which I'm also gonna do in the upcoming weeks. It's one of the better areas to walk during this heat. We have now, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Want to see yesterday's video where I tell you guys more about Joker's reopening? Click right up here.